Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm the official Carla Lorraine. You can call me Miss Carla or Carla or Carla Lorraine. Either of those four, whichever suits your fancy, I'll answer to any of those four. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your YouTube video or really anyone's YouTube video to your Squarespace website. The tutorials provided by Squarespace on this are actually not completely accurate. Therefore, I decided to make a video on how to do it where it actually works. It's really quite simple, and this will not be a long video. You can follow along with me and pause as needed so you can pick your steps, but I won't be going very fast. So you should be able to keep up. Sit outside. I'm sitting outside. The first thing you will do after being logged into your site is you're going to go to Pages in the left-hand sidebar. From there, you will create a blank page with no sections so you can add videos to your Squarespace. Now, you have to have a blank page to add videos. You cannot add a page with formatting already in because it doesn't allow it. And this is for 7.1. I don't know how 7.0 works. Okay, so this is for 7.1. It says in the title. Then you click edit, and then you'll be able to add your content. You're going to be able to add a gallery or a blog, but we're going to there's also a thing to add video. So I'm going to do add video. You're being presented with template layouts to choose from. And I'm going to go into it now and show you what I am going to do. Let me share my screen. Okay, so here I am. Empty page. This is a blank page, empty. It has my header, it has my footer. I'm going to go to edit, add page content, and see it says gallery. Um, I don't see where it says blog, but it does say gallery. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to video. And you can click any one of these, and it doesn't really matter which one. It's just a matter of what you prefer for your layout. And I am going to select, looks like this one. Now, I'm going to come back to you all for a moment. Now, um, you'll need to have your YouTube open on another tab, whichever video that you want to put on. And uh, let's see. So you go to your YouTube, select the video. Click in the URL, click the URL in the address bar. Copy it. Copy the whole thing. There are shortcuts, and I'm pretty certain most people know, but click in the address bar and you can select Control A or Command A if you're on a Mac, and then Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, and it'll copy the whole thing. Okay, the whole address bar. That's what you want. Now, when you go through, if you went through the Squarespace tutorial, it will tell you to go to share and then embed and then copy that link. That link does not work. I will show you how it doesn't work. So I'll probably show you, but it doesn't work doing that in Squarespace. That might work doing on other sites, but not in Squarespace. For Squarespace, you have to go to the URL and the address bar itself, which is at the where you type in www or whatever. When you go someplace, it pops up. That's where you're at. Um, I'm going to show you that. Um, let's see. Go on in here. So over here where it says video, you click the edit button, the pencil. First of all, let me go over here and select this, copy that, go back over here. I'm going to paste that in there. See this blue bar that pops up around lets you know that it actually went in. Now, if you were to not do that and go down here where it says to share and embed, and then copy all of that, and then go back over Control A, Control V, and paste it. It says right down here, URL is unembeddable. And if you hit apply, if you don't notice that that's there, and you click apply, oh, I didn't get a red line, but normally I would get a red line. Let me hit save and see. Yeah, there's the red. There it is. That red line around. That it doesn't work that way. So you got to do it. Okay, click the pencil. You have to do it the other way. Come back in here, Control A and delete. Come back over. Get rid of that. Select this. Copy it. Paste it. Apply. Now, this picture will still show when you're done because we have not gotten rid of it. In order to get rid of this picture and add your own, you got to get rid of this. You delete it, and then you can add your own. What mine's popped up, so there we go. But if you don't have one, then you add one by clicking this up arrow, and you're able to pick something that you already have. You can create one in Canva and download it. It'll be there. Okay. Anyway, so we're going to hit apply. And blue bar, let's save. The blue bar will still be there, obviously, because the picture already popped up. And now if you hit play, the video is starting. It's buffering. There it is. And there it is. And that, my friends, is how you add a video from YouTube onto your Squarespace website. And I hope that was a quick and handy tutorial for you. And I will see you all next time. Love you all. Bye. Bye bye. Happy holidays.